Guess who just popped into the studio?
Well, I'm working on a documentary project on the spiritual life of Elvis Presley, and the promoter comes up to us afterwards and he says, I don't want any death on my show. No death on my show. Okay? Michael Dunn sings so good because the real Dick died. He fell off a roof and broke his neck. Everybody goes, oh, this is country music. Songs about death are fine. They're great. My baby's dead. Great. So the audience came out and loved me because I wasn't dead.
What's going on? In other words, it's a big mystery.
That's, something particularly interesting to me because there does seem to be evidence that there was more than one ark.
But it's all tied together with this one Ethiopian word that slides in at the side, comes right in there, tabot. And it's right there, tabot, connecting to the ark that's connecting to the capra.
And, this is like heaven to me to be here and talk about things that I can talk about with no other human on the planet. So.
Right, well, thank you, Michael. It's been great. Loved it. Come again sometime.
Terrific.
Thanks a lot.
I'll do that again. It wasn't quite right. Let's do it again. None of that worked.